Okay, grade 9s. When you load the test, it will look something like this. My suggestion is pressing this button because I think having left and right is nicer. And you can change the size here as you need to. A few things is use the drawing tool. So pretend question, draw a diagram. So what you're going to do if you need to draw a diagram, one thing you might need to draw the diagram of is, what's it called? What do you draw a diagram of in this topic? Hopefully you should identify in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. What would you draw? Hopefully you said the atomic structure. So as a review, I'm going to randomly draw a table. I'm going to randomly touch the periodic table. I touched phosphorus. So it's number 15. So if I had to draw this, I would say 15 protons. And the neutrons is the atomic mass 31 minus 15, so it's going to be 16 neutrons. Can I get another one here? 16 neutrons. And then I need to have 15 electrons. So I would draw maybe a circle. The first shell, I have, so sorry, even better, change the color. Oh yeah. Maybe green's nice for electrons, I think. I don't know why, but I like green for electrons. So that's 1, 2 electrons in the first shell. Then in the second shell, oops. So we're learning some moves here. Oh no. Cancel, cancel. Let's go back to thin and black. Can I move these? Oh, let's move the whole thing. So it might be good to draw all the shells first. So I have 2 in the first shell. Then let's go here. Go back to green. There's 8 in the second shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second shell is full. And the third shell has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's the key thing. Once you save your picture, it goes over here on the side. There'll be some messages here. It'll tell it goes at the end, but we don't want to put the end. It says we can drag them to the right. So I'm going to take this answer. I'm going to drag it to where the questions asked for the right to. And then I want to shrink it down because I don't need it that big. And we're going to shrink it down. So if you need to draw something, that's what you draw. Also, you're going to have some decay equations. And one from our notes, we had, which one? I have no idea if it's one test or not. I'm going to make up one that I know is not on the test. Whether this is real or not, doesn't matter. Let's do gold by alpha decay. So first off, I'm going to press this bottom, and the bottom number for gold is a small number 79. And let's say this was gold. Let's just pick up the question here. Gold, the normal one here, the average was 197. But let's say this is gold 199 decays by alpha decay. Imagine this was the question. So here's some review for you. Gold 199. So the gold is always 79. It's letter AU, number 79. So I'm going to press the subscript button, 79. Then I press the superscript button, and this will be 199. Did I not press the button properly? Let's try that again. Now we're trying 79, superscript 199. Did I press this button again to go AU? Then I want an arrow, so that's gonna go dash right arrow. Press maybe space a few times to make it look a little nicer, like that. Then alpha decay, I'm not sure. So remember, we leave that blank plus alpha decay. Alpha, I remember, is it, and also in the back of your periodic table. If you forget these things, let's just close this. You also have your periodic table here for the periodic table. And remember, we've got alpha particle right there down there for you. I can make that. I can make this. How do I get rid of this? They tell me here. I can change the size. I can press the minus. If I just press the plus button, I can actually have 3 things out. I can have the test, but it's pretty small in the test, so I can maybe make the test bigger. I can have that. If I don't want this, I can full screen, or I can get rid of that again. So we're in periodic table, you kind of click on it here, and then you click the minus to get rid of it. So alpha particle, again, I'm going to press the subscript button. I'll press 2. Then I press the superscript button. I press 4. To get out of superscript, I have to press the button again, and I press HE. Now we just do our simple math. 199 minus 4 is 195. So I'm going to get rid of these blanks here now. I don't need that. We should do the bottom number first. So 79 minus 4 is 77. Then I press superscript, and I said there was 195. Press superscript button again. On the periodic table, this is 77, which is IR, iridium. So I just type here IR. So that's how I would write decay equations. So I use the subscript button, then the superscript button. If you do it the other way, that's also okay. You're not going to be punished for that. So let's say if you did 4, then you did 2, then you did HE. It doesn't matter which order you do it. Mr. Fleming's nice to you. Hopefully this helps.